How to find hidden apps on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. For that, you need to launch Settings application. Scroll down, look at Privacy, and tap to open it. Now tap Privacy next to Permissions. Here you will see different options under Privacy Protection, that is App Lock, Hide Apps, and Private Safe. To enter on each of this option, you need to enter your privacy password. So let's select Hide Apps. Enter your privacy password. Now you will land on this page. Next to all, you will see Hidden option. Select that. And from here, you will see all your hidden application on Android. If you wish to unhide, toggle the button off. And then it will be appear on your home screen again. So that's how we find hidden apps on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.